Hello all, this is Sven from Lightware and again from the showroom here at our Düsseldorf Training Center. Today we're going to take a look at the welcome screen feature of the Taurus UCX devices. Combined with the auto switching options of the Taurus UCX, the welcome screen allows the user to automatically display an image on the screen if no input or active source is connected to the inputs of the UCX. By default, the welcome screen shows the Lightware logo, but it can be replaced easily with any JPEG or BMP file at the size of 1280 by 720 pixel. The new image may contain customer logos, room names, or even instructions of how to start a room or of how to start a meeting. As usual, I'm connected to the UCX using Lightware Device Controller software. If you click on the welcome screen input over here, it will open the settings for the welcome screen on the right side of the software. Using the upload image button over here will open a browser window and you can browse to the file on your local disk and click select and open. And as you can see here, as soon as you click open, it replaces the Lightware logo with the custom welcome screen we've just uploaded. As auto switching is configured on this device, as soon as I plug in the laptop here on the desk, the main screen will show the image of the laptop, and as soon as I disconnect it, the welcome screen image is back on the main screen again. That's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video where we are going to cover the auto switch options of the Taurus UCX line of products. See you soon!